Hi, let's install two necessary prerequisites and create a Playwright project. To work with Playwright, we need to install Node.js and Visual Studio Code. Let's start with Node.js. Node.js is cross-platform, open source means free, simply speaking JavaScript runtime environment, which can run on Windows, Linux, Unix, and Mac. Node.js runs on JavaScript engine and, most important, executes JavaScript code outside a web browser, means does not depend on web browser drivers. To download and install Node.js, you need to visit nodejs.org, click on download, select your platform, and select the version you need. With Node.js installation, you will install npm. npm stands for Node Package Manager. The common question is, does npm package installed include in Node.js? And the answer is yes, npm is included with Node.js installation. Second question, common question is, does system pass updated with Node.js installation? And the answer is yes. Node.js, check it in your system pass. After downloading Node.js package and unpacking it or unzip it, you need to run Node.js installation wizard, which will handle for you everything. Right now I opened my command prompt, which changed background color to white for easy display, and I check two things. First of all, installed Node. As you can see, Node.js was installed. Then npm Node Package Manager. As you can see, it was also installed. Next thing after Node.js installation is to download and install Visual Studio Code, which is known as simply as VS or VS Code, developed by Microsoft for Windows. To download it, you need to go and visit visualstudio.com, where you can click on download, select the platform and version you need and install it. After which, you might visit a general Playwright Microsoft information. Visit the Playwright development website, where you can check the basic information. It's pretty simple and general, cross-browser and cross-platform, language for mobile. Generally speaking, Playwright is an open source automation library for browser testing. Remember, automation library for browser testing. This is all you need to know. Now, after successful installation and verification of Node.js and Visual Studio Code, we need to open VS Code. First of all, I'll slowly walk through menu. And we need to go File and Open Folder. You need to create, for Playwright project, you need to create and open empty folder. As you can see right now, I'm in my Windows Explorer in Playwright Framework folder location. As you can see, the folder is empty. Now, the Playwright framework is open in Visual Studio Code. Let's start our Playwright project. Go to Terminal, New Terminal, click, and let's write an initiation command. npm node project manager init initialize playwright, and here we say or version number, or simply we type at latest, which is recommended. npm init playwright at latest. Click enter on your keyboard. Select with your keyboard JavaScript. The explanation is simple. Everybody prefers JavaScript because the Visual Studio Code was developed in TypeScript. However, if you know Java, you know JavaScript. If you know JavaScript, you know TypeScript. And if you know Java, you know C#. Click Enter. Where to put your end-to-end tests? They already offer Playwright installation offers already tests folder. Click Enter. GitHub Action Workflow files. It is okay. As you can see, the end-to-end tests will be in tests folder. Click Enter. Enter. Initializing npm project. Project documentation is already created, as you can see. I'll stay silent for a while. Found 0 vulnerabilities. That's it. So fast the project was created. With this message, happy hacking, we scroll up. Here it is, found 0 vulnerabilities. Now notice writing section. Playwright configuration JavaScript file. Writing package JSON file. Downloading browsers. And the message is success. Created a Playwright test project at location. Then the installation wizard offers us a help already. We can run end-to-end tests using npx node project execution playwright test. Then interactive user input mode. Then only on desktop Chrome, run an example, debug, and very important one, npx playwright code generator. Auto-generate tests with code gen, very important one. We suggest that you begin by typing npx playwright test. We're gonna do it a little bit later. Now, let's expand our Playwright framework folder, and you can see the wizard was created. So what do we have here? First of all, let's check package in JSON format. Package.json is your project manager file. As you can see here, install dependencies, keyword script, version, everything. Installed where? Installed in this location, or in folder location. This is first major file. Second major file is Playwright configuration.js. This is your test runner executioner. Also, as you can see, installed Node modules, for example, Playwright, types, for example, assertion, another Playwright folder with necessary libraries, Playwright core, close it, tests. There is one example .spec specification.js JavaScript test. We're gonna run it soon. And test example folders. We don't need it. However, I'll check it. Here you can check all test examples. Is long one. Okay. Now let's check in Windows Explorer our Playwright framework. Location is populated with all the files which we've seen in Project Explorer. Now we're back to Visual Studio Code and let's run the recommended. We suggest that you begin by typing. Copy it npx playwright test. Go here and type and paste it. I opened new terminal and let's run the command npx playwright test. Click enter key. Started execution. By default, Playwright is running in headless mode. That's what you are witnessing right now, running 6 tests using 4 workers. Still executing. Six out of 6. And here it is, running 6 tests using 4 workers. All 6 passed. This is the time. And now, a suggestion. To open last HTML report, run show report. Copy it. Simply copy, simply paste, and simply click enter. Serving HTML report. This is it. As you can see, 6 tests. We can check the steps for each test. Notice before and after hooks, for example, or assertion. Expect to be visible. Now, if you are done with it, the statistics is At the top, all 6, pass 6, fail 0. Simply click close, and here says, press Ctrl C to quit. Press Ctrl and C. Terminate batch job, say yes. That's it. Now you can type clear. Now, let us run the same in headed mode. Simply space, double hyphen, headed, npx playwright test, headed mode. Click enter. Very good, fast and effective. This is it. 6 out of 6. 6 passed. To open last HTML report, run, copy it, paste, and enter. Serving it. Same result. 6, all 6, pass 6, fail 0. For example, click, hit the steps, go back, navigate back, close the browser, and here once again, press Ctrl C. I'm pressing it. Terminate batch job, say Y, and that's it. Now you can clear your terminal. This is it. This is good for first lecture, for first lesson. As you can see, overall and summary, as you can see, the Playwright project creation is pretty simple and fast and reliable. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.